Planned farm.
Local chicken farming style. At Pealand Farm, local chicken farming is more than just raising birds. It's part of a thriving permaculture system. Why let chickens roam free? A visitor once asked. Smiling, the farmer replied, because they are nature's gardeners. Chickens scratch the soil, eat pests and fertilize crops, creating a healthy ecosystem. Their feed includes farm scraps, grains, and insects, turning waste into nourishment. They help us as much as we help them, the farmer added. With rotating grazing areas and natural shelters, the chickens live stress-free lives. This sustainable approach produces healthier meat and eggs, while keeping the land rich and productive year-round. Pealand Farm Permaculture. Natural farming style.